Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. Today I would like to make an announcement for Turkish learners. I am planning to organize a meeting for Turkish speaking practice. The location will be, guys, in Istanbul, Turkey. And if you know Istanbul, the exact location will be in Tophane. And then I will give you more details about the location as well. Now, this is gonna be the speaking practice for Turkish learners, and I will classify participants of Turkish learners to beginner, intermediate, or advanced level, and our speaking practice will cover daily dialogues, daily expressions, new words, and word games. We will cover all these activities in Turkish practice lessons, kind of not lessons, kind of I can say practice. So our our dialogues will be like this. For example, we will ask simple questions, depends on the level of students, of course. So there's gonna be parent group practice as well, and at the same time we will play, as I said, word games for this Turkish speaking practice. For example, we will write on each card like Turkish and English versions of words, and then we will play these games together. And the lesson days will be on Sundays, guys. At the moment, I am planning to cover these lessons on every Sunday, and the hours will be, as you see here, in the afternoons, starting in the afternoons. Of course, as I said, I will categorize the students' levels: group 1, group 2, group 3, like this. And then for online lessons, this is, the previous one, as I said, this is going to be the for Istanbul Turkish practice table. This is going to be like this. And if any of you are also interested on online Skype Turkish lessons, which means I'm in here to practice. If anyone interested in to practice Turkish lessons, they can do this. And then our starting date will be May 20th to 2019, Monday. So Monday to Friday, hours of Turkish practice will be in this hours, guys. And also in evening time, if you are available, you can practice with me as well between these times. And also flexible hours set upon students' available hours as well. I will, fix the hours depends on our Turkish learner students. And of course, there's gonna be a little fee for this lesson. For Sunday lessons, it's gonna be starting on on May 19th. Okay, on May 19th, it's gonna be starting Turkish practice lessons, and for this participation session fee will be per person 40 TL for each group students. Each student will pay 40 TL, and that's our IBAN and account number. And of course, please write the receiver name is Yasin Durak, and detail if necessary. Please write here Yasin Durak as well. This is Garanti Bank. Okay, Garanti Bankası. This is for Turkish accounts. And if you don't have Turkish account, you can send this participation fee as dollar as well. So here is my dollar account, and if you are interested, I mean, if you can send this as well this way. And of course, I just would like to remind you something else here before we go on. I mean, please don't forget to go on to our website here. You have to complete participation form, which says here, please complete this details and send it to me. While you are sending, please don't forget your add your level as well, because I will check your I will categorize students according to their levels. And I really appreciate your time and your participation and your interest in this. And let's see what will happen. All right, I will soon inform you about the exact location in Tophane in Istanbul for face-to-face Turkish practice. And then now Let's see here. Yes. All right, now that's all I can share with you. This is my announcement. If any of you are interested, please don't forget the details as I shared with you here. And if you have any more questions, you can write to us here, aktifogren@hotmail.com. Thank you very much for your time now. Bye for now.